Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing job opportunities as well as some internship updates. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you'll get all the latest hiring updates, placement material and many more tech resources. So yes, the first hiring is from Cornerstone, hiring for junior engineer intern role. Location will be Pune. And for this, you will need BTech in computer science or equivalent, strong knowledge of software testing concept, methodologies and techniques, basic understanding of software development life cycle, and familiarity with any of the programming language such as Java or Python. Okay, so if you're eligible, do apply. The next hiring is from Yogen Soft, hiring for full stack internship, and the location will be work from home. For this, you should be engineering student, postgraduate, undergraduate, art, commerce, science, and other branch. Only you just have to know these skills. Okay, so you should have a experience with web developer, proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other framework. Okay, apply for this. The hiring updates from Qualitest is hiring for graduate, and these are all the details like what you should have. Basic understanding of programming language is plus but not required. 5. Ability to work effectively in a team and independently, strong analytical and problem solving skills. So I think this is for experienced person 1 to 2 years. So apply for this role. The next hiring is from Iris, hiring for Python associate engineer role. Location will be Noida, and for this you should be good in like one of the programming languages, that is Python, Python Shell, Python Flask, OOPS concept, SQL Server. Okay, so go and apply if you know all these skills. The next hiring is from Zoom, hiring for software engineer role. Location will be remote India, and for this you should be needed demonstrate experience designing and developing ETL pipeline and data models, applying programming skill in Python, SQL to build scalable data solutions. So you should have these skills like AWS, Linux, Unix. Okay, so before applying to these opportunities, you have to optimize your resume first. Like just copy, paste, go to resume builder, AI resume studio. Here just paste the job description and upload your resume, any of your resume, and check your ATS score, like how much ATS it has and how you can improve. You can edit it as well from here. So yeah, usually companies charge 20 to $50 for these features, but we are providing for our community for free. So ATS score is my 55. There are chances for improvement. You can read and improve, or you can just click on edit and click on AI improve. The AI will improve it, and then you can download in PDF and doc based. Okay. Oh, so once it's like done, what you can do is recheck your score. If it's improve, and the chances like AT score will increase, then you can download these in a PDF and doc based. Okay, so likewise that you can also use AI job finder, where you just have to upload your resume or whatever resume you have optimized there. It will be automatically fetched here. Just click find match, then you can get lots of job opportunities based on your resume. It will filter out based on your skills and experience. Here you have multiple jobs you can apply. Also you can check whether you are eligible, you should apply or not. AI will tell you like you should apply or not. If you're applying, what things you can improve, it will also tell you. So go and use. If this was helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. As you can see, these job opportunities, top matches, remote jobs, everything will be here. And when you click should I apply or not, it will tell whether you should apply, and if you're applying, how you can improve.